You're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 2 to the power of x squared divided by 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 16. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. We have 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 divided by 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 16. So let's multiply both sides by 4 to the power of x. So here we have 4 to the power of x. Let's simplify here so that we have 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. This is equal to 16 times 4 to the power of x. We can express 16. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. We can express 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So this is to mean that we have 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4, which is the same thing as 16 times 2 to the power of 2, which is 4, then raised to the power of x. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this exponent property, then we have 2 to the power of x squared. This is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2x. Since the bases are common here, that is a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m. Since the bases are common, exponent n should be equal to m. Applying this exponent property, then we have x to the power of 2. This is equal to, now here we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2x here. This means that we have a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which can be expressed as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this exponent property as well, this means that here we have 4 plus 2x. 4 plus 2x. So we have x squared is equal to 4 plus 2x. Let's take 4 plus 2x on the left hand side so that we have x to the power of 2 minus 2x minus 4. This is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2, and c is equal to minus 4. To solve for x1, x2, let's apply the quadratic formula here, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here divided by 2 times a. Let's substitute the values of a, b, and c into this formula so that we have minus times minus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is minus 4. Everything here divided by 2 times 1. So this is equal to minus times minus 2. This is 4. This is 2. So here we have minus times minus 2. This is 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared. This is 4 minus 4 times minus 4. This becomes plus 16, then divided by 2. So here we have 2 plus or minus a square root of 4 plus 16. This is 20 divided by 2. So therefore we have 2 plus or minus a square root of 20, which is the square root of 4 multiplied by 5, then divided by 2. So that now we have 2 plus or minus the square root of 4. This is 2, then square root of 5, then everything here divided by 2. Since 2 is common here, we can factor out 2, so that now we have 2 divided by 2. This is 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 divided by 2. This is square root of 5. Cross the parentheses, everything here, divided by 2. So this means that x1 comma x2, this is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5. So therefore, we have x1 is equal to 1 plus square root of 5. x2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 5. And these are the solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.